We've got some big news from Amazon. They've got some new devices.
Yeah.
Thank you, LTT forum user Abydos1. This thing looks cringe AF, and I'm aware of the irony of using the term cringe AF in 2021. I'm doing it intentionally because it is the most appropriate possible way to describe the Amazon Astro, a home robot that is being introduced after 4 years in development. This is the kind of product that I would expect ASUS to roll out on stage, make a bunch of noise about, be like, we're a robot company, and then promptly, completely forget. Robot stage, hold on. Because they basically did that. Where is this stupid thing? Here we go. The Zenbo. I mean, I would not expect this to come from a serious company like Amazon. No offense, Asus. I love you all very dearly. There's been
Some amazing internal quotes have quote unquote leaked. I don't 100% know if these are real because they seem way too soundbitey. And I haven't really seen. I don't know. They say apparently the internal quotes are saying it's a disaster that was not ready for release. It's terrible. It's absurdist nonsense. It would throw itself down a flight of stairs if it presented itself an opportunity. Give me 1 second. There's another one. Vice found from a leaked meeting that it says that the Astro is designed to track behavior of everyone in your home to help it perform its surveillance and helper duties. Big
surveillance, like
yikes.
security surveillance.
Yeah.
Like knowing if someone's not supposed to be there.
Yeah. Man, just honestly, just the picture of it with the eyes and nothing else on the screen, just these eyes with little eyebrows is so creepy. Like I could straight up imagine a horror movie where there's like a camera perspective that's like someone like laying on the floor for some reason, and this thing just comes around the corner, and then the eyes just like slowly roll around the corner. Like, oh, geez, yeah, I don't know. And it's $1,500 for a mobile Alexa.
That's the punchline. That's the
you could
punchline
just
of the joke.
you could just buy Alexa devices for every room in your home for significantly cheaper if that's what you actually wanted. I just, oh, why? I
Okay.
don't know, man.
They also have the Home Cam, a $250 drone that flies around for security purposes. The Ring Virtual
Cool.
Security Guard, which is a subscription service that provides third-party professional monitoring of all your Ring cameras. The Amazon Glow, a $250 video conferencing device aimed at children, has a built-in 8-inch screen for video calls and a projector that projects virtual activities onto a tabletop. And the Echo Show 15, a 15.6-inch 1080p display with a built-in camera that can display Alexa widgets, stream video, and you can personalize it with a visual ID. It uses the new AZ2 Neural Edge processor for processing speech and computer vision on device, and it's $250 and kind of looks like a picture frame. The discussion question from Jonathan Horst, totally not biased, is our Mac correspondent. The discussion question is, who's going to buy this stuff? Question mark, exclamation mark. Am I the only one creeped out about everything here? Question mark.
It's seriously like Amazon needs a don't be evil policy, because like it seriously seems like so many of the recent things that they've been working on are just all of the things that you would try to make if you just wanted to just abuse your power in every way you possibly could. Like it's just horrible. I don't know. I'm a little biased when it comes to Amazon. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, geez, guys, come on.
Yeah, I Good luck with that, Amazon. I mean, people will buy them. No doubt. There's no doubt in my mind people will buy them. I don't know who these people are, but they'll buy them. And Jonathan, you're not wrong. It's kind of amazing how many things Jonathan and I agree about, even though like he's a Mac and I'm a PC.
Yeah.
Yeah.